How do you make a water bed bouncier? Add spring water. Welcome back to Bobbville. Today we're gonna be giving our doodle man some spring water in a very simple video on making health potions. We'll start by doing the basics, adding our sprite to the rest of our assets, splitting our sprite in the editor, naming it, and dragging it into our game view. There are a few different videos on this channel that can go into this further if you don't already know how to import sprites. But next let's go ahead and add a little floaty animation to our potion, using our 3-frame technique. Once again, check our animation video to learn the 3-frame animation trick if you don't already know. Long story short, we'll just have our first frame be our starting and ending position, then the frame in the middle is the midpoint where the sprite is at its highest peak. Cool, now that that's done, let's go back to our asset folder and make a health pickup script. I know a lot of people out there don't really enjoy coding that much, but hey, we're just going one step at a time. Just like before, saving a little time, making sure everything works, I've already completed the coding for us. See, less than 20 lines of code. Pretty simple, but we will be taking it up a notch in a later video. The only variable we'll call here at the top is the rigid body 2D, and we'll just name it RB. And next we'll just call for it in the start method with a get component. Just like before, we're still using the onCollisionEnter2D method. We're still checking if the player touches the object, but one thing new here is the destroy function. After the player touches the object, he will get health restored, and then the potion will basically delete itself. And boom, that's it. Go ahead and save and get back to Unity. Next, really quick, I want to resize this potion to make it a little bit smaller. Half as small to be exact. But next let's drag our script into our health potions inspector. There are a few different colliders that we could choose from, like the circle or capsule colliders, but for now, I'll stick with the box collider 2D. I like to make the collider just a wee bit smaller than the actual image itself, so to make sure you can touch it without actually touching it. And yeah, alright, let's hit that play button and see what happens. I'm just going to use the buzzsaw to take a little damage so we can visually see the effect. There's our health potion bouncing around, and bunga! It works. And there you have it, good people. A very basic, easy, fully functional health potion. Feel free to tweak however you'd like. Stay tuned, more coming soon. And as always, thanks for watching. Peace.